Let's face it, folks, nobody likes wasting money. And when it comes to your home's heating and cooling, an inefficient system is like throwing money out the window. That's where energy efficiency comes in. A more efficient system uses less energy to do the same job, which means lower energy bills for you. But it's not just about saving money, it's about being responsible and doing our part for the environment. Heating and cooling account for a big chunk of our energy consumption. So using less energy means reducing our carbon footprint. Now I know what you're thinking, Mike, how do I know if my system is efficient? Well, that's where SEER2 ratings come in. Think of SEER2 as a report card for your HVAC system. The higher the rating, the more efficient the system. It's that simple. In the next section, we'll dive deeper into what SEER2 means and why it's important for your wallet and the planet. Alright, let's break down this SEER2 thing. SEER stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. It's a measure of how much cooling your system provides for each unit of energy it consumes. The 2 in SEER2 represents an updated and more accurate testing standard. It takes into account the latest technology and provides a more realistic picture of how an HVAC system performs in real-world conditions. So, a higher SEER2 rating means you're getting more cooling power for your buck. It's like getting more miles per gallon in your car. But remember, SEER2 is just one piece of the puzzle. You also need to consider the size of your home, climate, and insulation. We've talked about saving money, and that's huge. Upgrading to a high SEER2 system can significantly reduce your energy bills, putting more money back in your pocket each month. But energy efficiency isn't just about dollars and cents. It's also about your comfort. Efficient systems are better at maintaining a consistent temperature, eliminating those hot and cold spots that can make you uncomfortable. And let's not forget about the environment. By using less energy, we reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and decrease harmful greenhouse gas emissions. It's about leaving a healthier planet for our kids and grandkids. Now, when it comes to choosing the right HVAC system, size matters. You need a system that's powerful enough to cool your home effectively without being too big and wasteful. That's where BTUs come in. BTU stands for British Thermal Unit, which is a measure of heat energy. The higher the BTU rating, the more cooling power the system has. But it's not just about BTUs. You also need to consider the type of refrigerant used in the system. Older refrigerants, like R22, are being phased out because they're harmful to the ozone layer. R32 refrigerant is a more environmentally friendly option that's also more efficient. So, when choosing a new system, make sure it uses R32 refrigerant. Choosing a new HVAC system is an investment in your home's comfort, your wallet, and the planet. By understanding SEER2 ratings, BTUs, and refrigerants, you can make informed decisions that will benefit you for years to come. Remember, a high SEER2 rating means lower energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint. Choose the right BTU output for your home size and opt for a system that uses R32 refrigerant. And don't forget about proper installation and regular maintenance. Even the most efficient system won't perform its best if it's not installed correctly or maintained properly. So, hire a qualified technician for installation and schedule regular maintenance checks. By making smart choices today, you can enjoy a comfortable home, save money on your energy bills, and do your part to protect our environment. It's a win-win-win situation.